The market is open. Right, let's see what's happening here. We dumped a little at the open. Nothing actually much. So, nothing actually much so far. See if the buyer can hold here, the 29.40. Let's see if we can pop here. So far we are failing on the 9 moving average. So let's see. We're gonna go down all the way. Let's see what's happening. Okay. So far we are trying to break here. That's the opening range for now for the first 6 minutes. It's very early on the day. Very early so far. So if we can get like a recovery here. Yeah, looks like we might pass here. Let's see. I think this opening range hits very important. So let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can push. It's having a hard time to push. Hard time. Look at those candles. So the sellers is still there. Sellers are still there. That's the little opening range. Grab it here. Little price range here, so just so I can see, visually. I'm on the 1 minute chart. Let's see the longer time frame. 1 hour chart. There's a good bounce here for the longs. Are we gonna fail or are we gonna go? So far we're having a hard time to break, but let's see. See if we get the break. Longs try again. See the 5 minutes. We go all the way back. H1 minus 200s. Are we gonna push or we gonna hold? First 10 minutes. Little range. Oh, we're gonna break the opening range. So far, some sellers keep pushing right here. See, the sellers keep pushing. 9-4, and sellers keep pushing here. They keep pushing down. So what we see here now, little resistance. Right here, little support. For now, it's early, and I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. Does not matter much. But it matters for like quick trades. Let's see if we can go. So far, we are in a range. Too early still, but we are in a range. Okay. Okay, still try again. I'm gonna try one more time on this little resistance here. Let's see if we can push. Can we push? Trying to push here, man. It's looking tempting for a long here with the stop loss, 20 points, 20 points to stop. Hello, a short here with a 10 points stop. One or the other. Are you short here with a 10 points stop or you long here with a 20 points stop? Let's wait and see. See if the longs can push. Today we had a crazy movement. Look at that. Look what happened today, man. Look at that. It went down for a little. Then look at this candle here. It's like almost 100 points candle. Then we pull back down. And then we go non-stop. Then we came down strong. Held for a little. And dump again. Held a little here, dumped. Held again, dumped. And we went down. Then we had a good recovery here. If you look at the 4-hour chart, looks like a nice recovery. Look at that candle here. Had a very good recovery here. Took the 1 hour. Good recovery again. So Yeah, it looks like we're trying to push to the upside. How high? I don't know. For now, we're trying to push. So let's see if I can get a little here. Yeah, that candle was strong. See if I can get a little here. See if I can get filled here.
Order filled.
Oh, 7. My stop will be below that candle. My account probably unlock. It is 500 now. So let's see. See if we can push a little. That'll be nice. 36 at least. Let's see if we can get a continuation. That would be very nice to see like another pop. Yeah, so far it's holding my entry. Taking longer than I want. So I'm gonna go back to test the moving average. Let's see, come on. We're gonna get a continuation or not. Yeah. 99. Yeah, when you look at the level two, look at the difference. It's huge difference.
Order
Oh,
filled.
but a quick slim down. Quick slim down. She went down quick. See if I can get a lucid account. Which now? Not gonna lock, I think.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
If we can keep going. Look like now. Yeah, that was a failure. There was no continuation there. Failure there again. Yeah, another failure right there, man. Or not. See if we push. Come on. See if we can push. Let's see if we can push. Can we push? It's very weak. I tell you that. It's very, very weak, yeah. Yeah, looks like we might flip to the downside now. I think we're gonna flip to the downside now. See if we can hold view up here. Can we hold view up? Let's see. Trying to look very weak. Let's stay inside the range, maybe. Yeah, we're still in the range. We go back here, failure again. Now we have all these moving averages on top. I want to reclaim, like here to reclaim the moving average and fail. Let's see if we can give some continuation here. Nope. It's crazy. Look at the candles there. Look at that. Some big volatility there. Big volatility. And we hold. Yeah, big volatility right there, man. Look at that. Let's see if we pop. Man, not popping again. Questions there. We're gonna stay here in this range. That's the question. Yeah, you see? Yeah, it's having a hard time though. It's having a very, very hard time right there. Yeah, I think now it's gonna push down. It's trying to push down. Some crazy volatility here. 30 points. See if we get a push up.
Order filled.
Ooh, that was quick. That was daily loss, man.
Order filled.
Now we're gonna get the continuation to the downside or not. Ah, that's the question. That's the big question now. Yeah, try to add that. Just not able to add.
Order filled.
Okay, now I got some add. See if we can go at least 29. Test those rolls. I don't know, I feel that we are in a range.
Order filled. Order filled.
Like I'm in the middle of the range. It's held right here. We're gonna test the highs again. We're gonna test the lows now. Bid and ask is so far apart though. Yeah, the bid and ask are very, very far apart. We go to 30s. I don't know. Need to break here, need to break the 50s. That's all we need. We need to break down here. So we need to break. We need to break here. 50s. There we go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Come on.
Order rejected.
Let's go. See if we can go here for my target. It's actually very, very close to my target. You see the support? See if we hit. It's very close, right there. See? 48.50. That's my target. We are close. Okay.
Order
There we
filled.
go. I hit my target. Yeah. Gotta change all the social media thing here because I changed my handle now. Um, social. Yeah, I'll change later. Gotta change the tax here. Yeah, top step. I tried along here. I thought we were going to break here. See, my thought is that well, we're gonna break here and get some continuation. Like we break for a little and then went back right down. So there was a classic pop and drop. Pop and dropped. With only 20 points here. It's like we're gonna try one more time and hit the moving average. Let's see if we get some continuation to the downside. See if we keep rolling down. Need to change my Discord. Yeah, we're back. Look like we are failing here. Like we are failing. Now we are testing those lows right here. Need to break down here. Let's see. If we get a little bounce from here. Let's see if we get a bounce. Yeah, looks like I don't think I think we're gonna continue to the downside. Those are my thoughts. Those are my thoughts. I think we're gonna continue to the downside. I think we're gonna ride this moving average here, the nine simple moving average. I think we're gonna keep riding down, but we need to break it here first. Forest need to break, so it should not be that hard. Should not be that hard to break those 40. So would I short it here? I don't know. Shorting that's like shorting the support, but if it breaks, also it breaks like really hard though. So yeah, looks like we're breaking. So we're breaking down. We're breaking down. What's next? Let's see. Let's open up the chart. Broke down here. 98ish. 98ish maybe here. Need to test here. Let's see. Horizontal line. Man. Should be able to go like a huge support line. There we go. I have it here. No, it's not a line. Trying to make a line here, you know. So I think that's the next spot. And after that, it's yeah, this copy and paste. Nice stupid trade of it. Hate this thing. And that will be next, they'll be here. Of course, if we get some big continuation, right? But the first spot to see if it holds, that could be here. Then we'll see. Yeah, we're going down. We're going down. Well, we're getting a little bounce. Let's see from 29. Wow, that's a big bounce actually. That's like 40 points bounce. Hey, how's it going, man? How you doing? That was a nice bounce here for 29 to 45. Yeah. Well, como much? One candle, so it's not bad. I failure. Maybe I failing. So you see, it just tested the moving average again. And it looks like we're gonna keep going lower. We are trying to hold right here. Well, we are holding for now. We are holding for now. See if we can get this rebound. All right. All right. We touched it again at 29. That was close to my line. It was 29 to 54. Yeah, we got some good volatility there. Good volatility. We are getting some good volatility, guys. And that's what we like to see. We're gonna hold it here. I don't know. I don't. I would not think so. But if we trend down tonight, we would not hold it here. We don't want it to hold it here if we want it to trend down. You know. If you look at the 1 hour chart, yeah, look at the 1 hour chart. It's like trying to go back down. Let's see if we can hold. Let's see if we can hold. slow down. Okay, okay. Like we're trying to fail again. Trump said to make an announcement at 6:30. I don't know if it's true or not. And those people sharing things on X. Let's see if I find something on CNBC or I don't see anything yet, but let's see Trump who is working closely, just politics stuff. Nothing really so far. So now that's the 29 again. Oh, there was a flash candle here. Look at that. Touch my support here. Touch my support right there and pop right back up. Got right my support, man. Look at that. That's right my support and pop right back up. Yeah, looks like tonight's a quick in, quick out. Look at that, right back up. Holding right here. Oh, you only need 100. Oh, only 100, man. I would go for macros. See if we can get a continuation to the downside, you know. Market's starting to look weak. It's trying to hold here, but it's trying to hold here, but I don't know. I don't think it's gonna hold very long. Let's see. It's trying to hold, but might hold, you know. So yeah, be prepared for everything. So far, we are in a little downtrend. You can clearly see here. We are in a downtrend. What platform is that? Recovery here, we're gonna fail. It's very low liquidity, you know. But we're gonna test the trend. Yeah, there's a good recovery here. Broke my trend line. You broke my trend line. See if we can create a new trend line here. We need to hold here. If you are long, you want it to hold here. See if it's gonna hold. The longs need that to hold. Not holding very much, not very good hold, so not holding very well. It's not holding very well now, okay? Looks like we're gonna get a continuation to the downside. Yep. Oh, we're gonna continue here. See if we can hold here. Let's see if we can hold. Can we hold or not? Yeah, I don't think it's gonna hold anymore. She's looking weak. Long for a long, you want a big pop here. Okay, so we're holding for now. We are holding for now. Okay, for now we are holding, so looks like we're gonna test the view up. Where is view up at? View up is 48. Yeah. posted in next gen. Nice. I never heard of Gen Next. I never heard of that one. Oh, that's the next gen, right? Next gen, yeah. We'll work on something amazing. Get back. Next gen futures. Huh. Next gen futures. Never heard of that one. Yeah, we're holding now. We're trying here. If we're gonna failure here, what? That's a good bounce so far. 90s to 38. It's not bad. It's not a bad bounce. Oh yeah, there we go. There comes the big pop now. Oh, that's a good push. If you are long, that's what you want to see, huh? If you are long, that's what you want. Look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, that's longs are pushing, huh? Longs are pushing. We're gonna go back and touch the opening range again. We're in the middle of the opening range. Yeah, we're right back to the middle of the opening range. Be back to go get something here. Well, all right. So trying to push up, huh? See if we're gonna fail right now. I'm sure guys will provide I'm sure. Right? Yeah. Pretty good. You thought you guys fine.
Yeah, we're gonna just sit down.
Oh yeah, we're right back down. See, my indicator changed to sell now. My indicator changed to sell now. Think we're gonna go back down. I think we're gonna go back down. Yep. It's like more clean on the 5 minutes.
Mhm.
I think we're gonna keep dumping. I think we're gonna keep going down. Looking weak. Yeah, we're gonna touch the lows, I think, pretty soon. The Bulls had a chance. The Bulls had a chance and they did not take it. Yep, we're going down now. So we're gonna go back here to 47, then keep going down. looking very weak. Yeah, that's what I thought. It's gonna test the moving average here. 9 moving average. That's gonna test. Then continue down. Let's see if my strategy works. For my strategy to work, I gotta hold below 55. Let's see if it holds below 55. Yep, looks like we keep going down. We're gonna break here. We gotta keep going. We cannot reclaim 50s. If we reclaim 50s, my strategy won't work. And that's the test right here. Test it and dump. Previously, 29 was holding well. Let's see if 29 is gonna hold again. Testing the moving average again. Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Let's see. Need to hold here for the longs. Need to dump here for the shorts. The average again, the nines holding. Is 90, 90, 90, 90, 99 right here. Supposedly to hold all the way down. See how it's holding here? Hold it here. How it's gonna hold it here. Oh, it's gonna break. But if it holds, at least you know where your stop gotta be, you know. Nine is holding. Longs need a big pop here. That's what longs need. Longs need to reclaim 50s. And the shorts need to Hold here. Yep. Right there. There we go. There we go. The moving average holding. Shorts need to break it here, break the low. Well, it's low, so holding. So mm-hmm. Right in the moving average so far. Need to break here on the 29. Previously broke, but not very strong. Looks like there are some bias here on 20, like on this area here. Another class on the 29 is are we holding? Shorts are holding down. As a short seller, what do you want to happen right now? Holding here. 9. It's holding beautiful here. There we are. Also support here. So you want a dump in the dump in the dump. It's like a bat thing. That's cute. See the 5 minutes. Looking weak. See if we can hold again here. Or dump. It looks more like a dump than anything. Tell you that. So far it's holding. See those candles? Yeah, buy is stepping up. See what 7 o'clock says, right? 30 minutes. Come the dump or the pop. Failing again. Right on the yellow line. Very slow movement so far. Very low liquidity. We are testing the support right now. Right here. 29. So that's what they say, a psychological number. That doesn't mean anything to tell you the truth, but let's see if we can hold on with this low liquidity. Two big candles. Ooh. There we go. Now, are we gonna get some continuation there or no? There we go. See, guys, I keep saying, if you keep fading the 9, keep writing down the 9. It's writing down this 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Now, let's see if those guys step back up here and buy. I don't think so. A lot of people might buy here like crazy and get mad. Huh?
Yeah.
Out the guacamole, put inside. Try put the guacamole inside.
Yeah, maybe for a second I'll put so now I can outside.
Oh, there come the big buyers. There come the big boys. Look at them. It's the support holding. Yeah, it's a nice bounce, but it's still a little bearish, in my opinion. See the 5 minutes. Yep. Still holding here, guys. Look at that. Holding, holding, holding. Yeah, for now, right? For now, it's holding. One, two, three. Three tries. Now, the short one to fail right here. Now reclaiming 20s. Because I think if it tries the lows again, it's gonna dump. It's trying, it's coming. It's coming. So the 29, 20s need to hold down. Then it tries again the lows. Let's see if they can reclaim. Oh, it's flipping. It's flipping. Maybe buyers are stepping up. Very weak so far. Very weak. See what I was saying? 20s needs to reclaim. 20 fail. Now, oh, there we go. There we go. Now you need to test the lows again. One more time right here. Testing the lows. Now you break those lows. You go all the way down. Ooh, oh. Yeah. Let's see if we break those lows. Let's do like a little pull. Let's close that one. Let's end this pull. Dump all night. Let's see. It's testing again. Okay, so testing the lows again. Yeah, the more I test the lows, the harder it dumps. The same thing on the upside. The more I test the support, the harder it break. And then you go like, oh, why? Why is that happen? Why? Let me explain to you why. Mr. Diego está buying here. That's again. Diego buy more. Diego buy more. And Diego is happy. It's up. But Diego doesn't sell. So Diego goes and goes back. Diego tries to buy again. Diego buys again. If he breaks here, Diego gets desperate and starts selling. But it's not only Diego, it's multiple Diegos. And that thing dump hard, my friends. That's how usually we go. The same thing the other way around. Short sellers going crazy, covering. Okay, one more task here. Boom. Big dump. We're holding one more time. One more time. Try one more time. All right. Hold once, twice, three times, four times, five times. Hold once, hold twice, hold three times, hold four times, hold five times, hold six times. Now, are you gonna hold? Gotta reclaim here, in my opinion. Gotta reclaim the 30s. Not a strong hold. Not a very strong hold. Shield down trending. She's still weak. Fix this line here. Let's see. It's kind of 1 minute too is kind of pointless, you know. But it's always good for a good entry. You cannot have an entry unless you're trading very small. You can have an entry on 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Oh, it's small little bull flag on the 5. On the 30 minutes, it's a bear flag. The 1 hour also looks bearish. Previously held here, held in here. So, yeah. 30 minutes holding down for now. It'll be nice to see the lows, to test the lows. Tomorrow we have some news, I think, for what are the news tomorrow? Let's see my economic calendar for tomorrow. I think that's CPI. Let me double check. Yeah, we have CPI 7:30 Eastern Time. No, Central Time. So, got the CPI tomorrow. Huh. Yeah, CPI tomorrow. So let's see here. Let me share with you guys so you guys can see what I see. See? CPI tomorrow, 7:30. So we're gonna get some moves. It's a lot of CPIs tomorrow. So let's see. For now, let's go back to the smaller time frame. For now, we're holding here. See those candles for the week? For now, it's holding. I feel like we're waiting for like 7 o'clock to get a direction, you know? Not a direction, get a direction, man. Get your shit together, man. Let's see. We're trying to hold there. Yeah, looks like we're reclaiming, broken, breaking the trend. We are about to pop, 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 pop. We're pop and drop. Okay. That was a big pop, kind of like look at that candle. 12, 10, not that big. 12 to 46. Just a volatility. Just a volatility there. Just a volatility. Volatile times. Wow. So it's like sometimes looks like it's freezing. It's frozen. Sometimes gets slow because it's low liquidity, and very low movement. But at 7 o'clock we're gonna get some. Well. We are kinda trying to go back up. Yeah, 10 minutes, guys. 10 minutes. We got a better move. See if we touch the lows again, or we go all the way back up. Yeah, we're going up now. Looks like we're going up non-stop. Now we're gonna go back green for the night. Let's see the 30 minutes. See the 1 hour. If we break the 200s, that's dangerous for the shorts. I'm gonna open the Asia market in like 5 minutes, so we will see. 5 minutes before the open. Yeah, we're moving up. We're moving up. Yep. We're going back up for now. So you see the support held. The buyers held very well here at 29. See if we dump in 3 minutes. See what we get on the Asian market. 2 minutes for the opening.
So because this is a 25K account, let's see how much draw that was.
All right, we popping. We popping, popping. Whoever's buying support here is getting paid. Here we go. We're gonna touch the highs.
So I do have a hard stop though, just in case.
How about you touch the opening highs? We are about to go. If you look left, you can see here. Look, it's the opening highs. That's why it failed. Failed once, twice, 3 times. Gonna fail again or what? Well, as you can see, did not break down here. Multiple tries. Are we gonna stay on this big range? Or are we gonna break one way or the other? What are we gonna do, guys? Hmm. So far, like nothing.
See who's with me? Tyler G.
Where we going, man? Look at that pop. Look at that big pop. That's a big pop. That's a big continuation now to the upside, man. And we are green, just like that. NK is green again. All right, I'm done for the day.